class name box, then give the colon and hover, and then whatever you want to give the style here you can give it. Let's give background linear gradient, give red and blue color. If your cursor go on this black box, the color will get the automatic change. That is called a hover pseudo class. Hello friends, welcome to Octocoder. We are learning about CSS selector. In the previous lecture we learned about universal selector, tag base or element selector, ID and class selectors. So today we are going to learn about pseudo classes, pseudo element selectors. So let's start. So what are the pseudo element and pseudo classes selectors, how to use? Now we are going to learn with the practical example here. Pseudo selector that lets you style a specific part of the selected elements. So let's take an example here for anchor tag. Let's take anchor tag, let's say Facebook Octocoder page, and let's give a link href attribute. Here let's take Octocoder Facebook page link. So here is the Octocoder Facebook page link. Save this file, open this file in the browser. So this is how every links look. This one is without visited, that's why the by default color it came little purple. So how to use the pseudo elements? So we are going to give here internal style CSS inside the style tag, then our element name is anchor tag. So give the anchor tag and then pseudo elements start with the colon. You have seen many times like this double colon or single colon. Those are the pseudo elements. So here we have link pseudo elements. Say color, let's say if this link is unvisited then color is blue, then anchor tag, then pseudo element. If you want to the link is visited, then give the color whatever the color you want to give. After the visiting, that link's color will be get changed. So the give the color red. Let's save this file, refresh the browser. Now this one we already visited, that's why the color got red, because I already visited. Let's open this link inside the incognito mode, then you will understand. If that link was unvisited, then the color gets blue. If you want to change this color, you can say here, you can give any color, aqua. So this link is unvisited, that's why the color is aqua we have given here. If you visit the link, the color will get the red. If you seen here, we have visited link here, so the color got red. If you want to give some other color here, let's say give color hot pink, save this file, then see the color we have given the color hot pink, so the color is hot pink. Let's create another link, anchor tag. Let's change this link as a Instagram, Insta Octocoder. Save this file. These are coming side by side, so let's give it a break. And if you want to on hover color, then you can also give on hover. Hover pseudo element selector is used to, if you want to mouse hover, then if you want to change the color of the selected part, so you can give it as a hover color. Then let's say green, when you mouse hover the color will get green. Refresh the file. Now see, if you hover then the color will get the green, because we have given here on hover the color is green. Now this one is unvisited, that's why the color is dark blue. So now if you click on this link, then it will go to the Instagram Octocoder page. So now if you go back, the link got visited, that's why the color got red color we have given visited, that's why. And on hover the color are green. These are the pseudo elements. So that's how to give pseudo element selectors. Now let's take an example of a pseudo classes, how to use the pseudo class selector. So let's create a div tag and give the class name as a box. So now however you want to style, you can style that. The class operator is a dot, then give the class name. So let's give height width 150 pixel and the background color black. Let's give margin 20 pixel. Save this file, open in the browser. This is how we have created the div tag as a black color we have given. So how to use the pseudo classes selector. So now select the class dot operator and then the class name box, then give the colon and hover, and then whatever you want to give the style here you can give it. So let's give background linear gradient, give red and blue color. So refresh the here. If your cursor go on this black box, the color will get the automatic change. That is called a hover pseudo class. So that's how pseudo classes selector is used. Here if you want to change height of this box 100 pixel and width also you want to change 100 pixel, save this file. Now if you hover on that box, the color will get changed and the box size will also get the reduced. So see, so like that pseudo class selector we can use. So that's how we learned today pseudo class and pseudo elements. In the next lecture we are going to learn about the grouping selectors, how to use. So stay tuned with the Octocoder.